Hello friends, in this video we are going to see 5 amazing things you can do with C. So let's start. So the first thing is you can print anything without using any semicolon. For doing this we have to create a new project which is named as #1. For this is the first part of this video. For doing this, you can choose any condition checking statement. In C, there are two condition checking statements, if condition and switch condition. I choose if condition to do this. Let's check out it's working or not. Oh, there is no /n, so we put /n in it. For next line. So the next task is to print in a reverse order using printf. Let's do it. For doing fastly, I just cut and paste it again. Let's run it. For viewing output, normally we have to use /n. Here, the third task is to rewrite the array. Let's check it out. For doing this, we are just making a sample array of 10 elements. Let's take 1 as a sample value of first element of array. We achieved the task successfully. For your knowledge, we can write also like this, meaning same. Let's move to fourth task, which is replacing semicolon and curly braces. Let's move to straight in the last task of this video, which is to add two numbers without using plus symbol. For doing this, we make a global function named as add and passing two values for adding each other. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Keep sharing, keep liking, keep creating. Have a nice day, guys. Bye bye.